Today, we're comparing Claude Code and Claude Desktop, two powerful tools built on the same AI brain but designed for completely different workflows. On the left side of your screen, you'll see Claude Code, the Agentic terminal. This is for developers, engineers, and anyone who loves command line power. Here, you type commands like Claude run analyze.py, and the AI instantly scans your code, fixes bugs, and explains logic. It's fast, precise, and gives you fine grained control. Think of it as AI in hacker mode, always ready for deep technical work. On the right side, we have Claude Desktop. This is the graphical interface, simple, intuitive, and made for everyday productivity. You can drag and drop a document, highlight a paragraph, or paste an email draft, and Claude rewrites, summarizes, or polishes it in seconds. No coding required. It's AI as your personal assistant, always ready to streamline daily tasks. Here's the difference in action. On the left, Claude Code is running tests, debugging, and deploying commands in real time. On the right, Claude Desktop is summarizing a long PDF into a one-page brief you can send to your team. Two different views, two different workflows, but powered by the same intelligence. So which one is better? The truth is, it depends on you. If you live in the terminal and want raw agentic control, Claude Code is your AI companion. But if you prefer drag and drop simplicity with a friendly interface, Claude Desktop is the smarter choice. Together, they represent the future of human AI, collaboration, one brain, two styles, infinite possibilities. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss my next free AI comparison.